Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for the sump tab on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's missing or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we have to lay it down on its back. So this will be the screw that we're replacing. In our case, it's still right there. It's just damaged and a little bit loose. If for some reason the screw is missing, typically the tab will also be missing because there's nothing to hold it on. It'll just fall right off. So if the screw breaks off, hopefully it should just be right underneath the dishwasher. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 5/16 inch nut driver and we'll unscrew the screw here. And then the sump tab just pulls straight off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement sump tab screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we'll put our tab back into place, so that'll just sit right there like that, and then we can screw it down. There you go. And the tab moves back and forth just like this, so it'll lock the sump into place, or if the sump has to be replaced and removed, you can flip that up just like that. So now we flipped up our dishwasher and stood it back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.